Hi, I've made these videos to go with my book Live Life in Full Colour, which you can find on Amazon, but you might want to just do them anyway. I'll show you a few simple yoga moves to go with each of the chakras. Remember to listen to your own body, be safe and enjoy. Hello. Well, here we are. We've done all the way up to here and up to our crown chakra, just the top of our head. And on the whole, that's about being rather than doing, so we wouldn't be engaging in a lot of physical exercise to stimulate that. We are going to try an inverted posture and then some tapping and finish with Shavasana. We're going to start with an inverted posture for those of you who don't want to do a headstand. So from a kneeling position, put your hands beneath your shoulders, then your elbows down on the floor, and hands to opposite elbows to check the distance is right. Then bring your hands in front and clasp them. And just make sure that the lowest little finger is not in the clasp, just tuck it in so it doesn't get hurt. Put your head down into this nest you've made with your hands and feel a firm connection between the crown and the mat. And then when you're ready, you can start to move the feet up into more of a downward dog kind of posture. So you're putting more weight on your head. So just tuck your toes under, lift your butt up in the air and walk your feet a little way towards your head. Just the amount that feels right for you. You might go this far, you might go not as far as this, you might go further. You'll know what feels right to you. And you start to get the sensation of doing a headstand without what for some of us is a fear of doing a headstand and some risk attached to that. So it's kind of a safe option. Just breathe steadily and slowly and feel the connection between your crown and the earth. Settle into that. And then when you're ready, you're just going to bend your knees, move your feet back, down, and come back up into a kneeling position. Great. Our next move, we're going to be waking up the crown chakra by tapping on our heads. So I'll just show you how that feels. Get a comfortable seated position. You're going to keep your wrists loose while you do this. You're not looking to hurt yourself or bang yourself on the head. You're just looking to stimulate the skin and the nerves in your skull and just below your skull. Tap around the back of your head, around over your ears, and then around the front of your head. Just keep tapping, breathing deeply while you do it. Feel which areas want more attention and which ones are fine. Feel where you want to put your effort. Go over some areas if you need to. Your forehead and your temples. Feel the relaxing and the stimulating. Your cheekbones, your jawbone if you want to. Back over the top of your head. Just with fingertips on loose wrists. A light tapping. Feel the buzz. You should feel stimulated by that. And in the spirit of ether, the element of this chakra, and the idea of being rather than doing, let's finish with Shavasana, final relaxation. So lie down on your back, and then to settle your spine, just hug your knees into your chest, feel your lower back settle into the mat, and lower your legs one at a time back down, feet hip width apart. If you need to, you can put a cushion under your knees. Some people find that more comfortable. or not if you don't. Have your palms facing upwards, fingers loose and hands open. Arms slightly away from your body so they're not touching your body. Just check the back of your neck is long. You're not jutting your chin up to the sky. That your shoulders are away from the ears. That everything around your body is starting to give in to gravity. Give in to the pull of the earth, pulling you onto the mat. And the mat holding you in position. There's nothing for you to do except be. Just be here in this very moment. This moment that you've never had before and you'll never have again. Breathe gently and slowly into your belly. Notice the air coming in and out through your nose. Notice your body starting to slow down. Your heart rate slowing down. Your breath rate slowing down. And therefore your thoughts slowing down. Let them go. Let them drift away like leaves in a stream. Whenever you notice yourself thinking, just take that leaf and let it drop into the stream and go away. Nothing for you to do right here, right now, except to be. To be in your body, to let the work do its work, to let your body relax and restore, to let your cells regenerate and renew, your bone cells regenerating and renewing, your blood cells regenerating and renewing, your immunity system regenerating and renewing, and all your organs regenerating and renewing. There's nothing for you to do except be here in this very moment right now. Relaxed. And more relaxed. Spacious and more spacious. Calm and more calm. At peace in your body. Peace in your mind, peace all around you. And now start to breathe more deeply. start to return your presence to your body. Become aware of your fingers and toes and start to move them, bringing your awareness to your whole body, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. As you breathe more deeply, have a big yawn and a stretch. And then when you're ready, start to roll over onto your right side, resting on your side. Breathing again here, feeling the goodness of what you've just done, feeling the benefit. And then, still keeping your eyes closed, start to come up into a seated position. Sit in a comfortable way. Gradually open your eyes. And we're done. Namaste.